يرفع إبراهيم القواعد من البيت وإسماعيل ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, in previous session we've learned about how to use numbers with masculine and feminine nouns. Now we should be comfortable in understanding that masculine nouns take feminine numbers and feminine nouns take masculine numbers, and how number 1 and number 2 come as naat, and from number 3 to 10 they come as a combination of mudaf ilayhi. Inshallah, this lesson is named as madrasati. Is same like how we did before, like baiti, when we went halfway through, and we are coming to nearly the end of book 1. So inshallah, so we are just going to revise all the concepts what we learned, and inshallah this is a beautiful essay, so where we should be able to understand everything, inshallah. So let's start our essay. It says hadihi madrasati. So what is hadihi? Mubtada. Madrasatu is khabar wa huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. So madrasati is a combination of mudaf ilayhi. Here, so here is again mubtada. Why it is here? Because madrasatu is muannath word, muannath noun. Here qaribatun, so its khabar has to match. So if it is muannath, the qaribatun is muannath. Qaribatum min al masjidi. So we remember qarib always comes with min, and ba'id always comes with an. So here qaribatum min al masjidi. Here madrasatun. Say here mubtada madrasatun, one word is, so we know all the vowel signs now, so it is comes with tanween. Madrasatun marfu. So what will be this one? This will be naat. Madrasatun kabiratun. So here madrasatun kabiratun, laha, it has thalathatu abwabin. Thalathatu abwabin. Why thalathatu? Because abwabin is the masculine noun, so it's a feminine number. Thalathatu abwabin. Abwabuha, again combination of mudaf ilayhi. Abwabuha. Maftuhatun. So why maftuhatun here? So we have to understand here. Again we use the khabar. Maftuhatun is muannas because abwabu is considered as a kullu jam'an muannas. Remember, kullu jam'an muannas is a plural noun, non-human broken plural. So we consider as a single feminine noun. So bintun, for example, bintun. So it's maftuhatun al-an, is open now. The doors of it are open now. So again abwabuha was a mudaf ilayhi. Fil madrasati. So now we know fil madrasati is jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar muqaddam. So what is fusulun? Fusulun is plural for fasl. Fasl means class. So fusulun kathiratun. So kathiratun is coming as a naat again. So in the school there are many classes. Hada fasluna. So this is our classes. Hada fasluna wa huwa faslu wasi'un. So and it is faslun wasi'un. So what is wasi'un again here? Is naat. So it is a big class. So fihi, again jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar fihi is ha refers to fasl. So fihi nafidatani kabiratani. So what is nafidatun is windows. So nafidatani is 2 windows. What is kabiratani here? Again it is coming as a naat for windows. So in it have 2 big windows. So we'll say big windows. Wafihi makatibu wa karasiyu. So again here we got jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar muqaddam. So we know mubtada muakhar is indefinite and it takes tanween, but why we don't see tanween here like makatibu wa karasiyu? Because these 2 nouns, they come under special pattern which are called diptotes, like mafa'ilu and mafa'ilu. So we're going to learn about them in detail later on. So this is just to show that when diptotes, they don't take tanween, they have naturally just one dhamma. So when we see a noun with one dhamma, we know it's diptote and it doesn't take kasra. So wafihi makatibu wa karasiyu. So in it are desks and chairs. So these are plurals for maktabun and kursiyun. So in singular form they are triptote, but when they make plural for certain nouns they become diptote, like masajidu, like mafa'ilu. So these are all, say, makatibu, masajidu, madarisu. So all diptotes, the same pattern. So wafihi sabburatun, and in it sabburatun kabiratun. So and it has a big blackboard. Sabburatun means blackboard. Fihi sabburatun kabiratun. It has a big blackboard. So hada maktabul mudarrisi, and this is hada mubtada, maktabu is khabar, wa huwa mudaf, and al mudarrisi is mudaf ilayhi. Hada maktabul mudarrisi wa dhaka. Dhaka means is dhalika, lam is removed. This for a constant usage. To make it short, is same like dhalika. Wa dhaka kursiyuhu, and this is his chair. Kursiyu again is mudaf ilayhi. So we get maktabul mudarrisi, mudaf ilayhi, and wazaka kursiyuhu, who is coming with damir muttasil. It's always mudaf ilayhi when attached to a noun. So watilka, and that is makatibu. So why tilka here? Because kullu jamin muannas, makatibu is considered as a singular feminine noun, so that's why we use tilka, and those are makatibut tullabi, desks of student. Again mudaf ilayhi. Wa karasiyuhum, and their chairs. Maktabul mudarrisi kabirun. See, maktabul mudarrisi, maktabu is mubtada wa huwa mudaf, and al mudarrisi mudaf ilayhi, kabirun is khabar. Wa makatibut tullabi saghiratun. See, kabirun, when the noun is singular, when it's a non-human broken plural, so we use a feminine noun to describe it. So makatibut tullabi saghiratun is small. So maktabul mudarris is mudaf ilayhi, again kursi was mudaf ilayhi. Fi faslina, in our class. So what about in our class? We have asharatu tullabin. See, asharatu tullabin. So adad ma'adud. So adad, because it's more than 3, is coming as combination mudaf ilayhi, and this is opposite. So because it's a more masculine noun, so we have feminine number. So in our class we have asharatu tullabin, 10 students. Wahum, and they are min biladin. See, biladin, because jar majrur shibu jumla. They are from. So what is biladin? What is this noun here? This is mukhtalifatin. It's coming as a naat. So why mukhtalifatin? Because bilad, baladun is a feminine noun. Cities and countries are feminine noun. That's why we have mukhtalifatin, not mukhtalifin. So mukhtalifatin is different cities. They are from different cities. And now we got, this is easy bit here. Hada Muhammadun. This is Muhammad. Wa huwa min al-Yaban. So these are early lessons what we have done before. And he is from Japan. Wa hada Khalidun. So good thing to see here is we're going to see a different nouns with different emphasis. Muhammadun, Khalidun. These are Arabic names, so they take double dhamma. Wa hada Khalidun wa huwa min as-Sin. And also note that certain countries' names they start with al and certain they don't, because that's how it's been always used in Arabic. So initially we are using countries which will have al. Hada Muhammadun wa huwa min al-Yaban. Wa hada Khalidun wa huwa min as-Sin, min China. Wa hada Ahmadu. See, Ahmadu, one dhamma is diptote because it's on a pattern of af'alu. We have done this before. Just to refresh your memory. Wa huwa min al-Hind. Wa hada Ahmadu wa huwa min al-Hind. So first luna is a combination of mudaf ilayhi, I had to mention. Wa hada Ibrahimu. See, Ibrahimu. These are all in this sentence here a big sentence. All are non-Arabic names. Alhamdulillah, these are all names of prophets as well. So we know they're all non-Arabs and they are mamnu' min as-sarf. They are all diptors. So if you see here, Wahada Ibrahim wa huwa min Ghana. See, Ghana doesn't have al. So certain countries have al, certain don't. So you just have to be practiced and we have to remember this. Wahada Ismailu wa huwa min Nigeria. Wahada Yusufu wa huwa min Inkaltarra is England. And Yusuf is from England. Ismail is from Nigeria. Wahada Bayramu. Bayram wa huwa min Turkiya and he's from Turkey. Wahada Ammaru wa huwa min Malaysia. Ammaru. See, Ammarun. This is Arabic name. So you'll have a triptot. Min Malaysia. Wahada Aliyun. Say Aliyun. Wahada min Wahuwa min America. Aliyun min America. He's from America. So Wahada Abu Bakrin. See Abu Bakrin. Why we have waw here for Abu? Because it is min al asma'ul khamsa. So when it becomes mudaf, we know it has a waw, a sign of marfu. So Wahada Abu Bakrin. So why Bakrin? Because it's mudaf ilayhi. So it takes a normal triptot. So it takes a double tanween. Wahuwa min Yugoslavia. So he's from Yugoslavia. So these are all different students. And what about them? So they are hum min biladin mukhtalifatin. So they are from different cities. Wa lughatuhum. Lughat means plural for lughatu. Lughatu means singular. Lughatuhum. Lughatu is a feminine noun. So again it's a lughatuhum is also lughatu is a feminine noun. Their language mukhtalifatun is different. Wa alwanuhum. Alwanu again is a plural for laun. Laun means color. So their color is different. Mukhtalifatun. So they are from different countries, different cities. Their languages are different and the colors are different. Lakin, but. So in Urdu, say lekin. So lakin deenuhum. So deenu plus hum. So mudaf ilayh. Their religion wahidun is one. Is khabar. One word mufrad is indefinite. Wa rabbuhum and their Lord wahidun is one. Wa nabiyyuhum wahidun and their prophet is one. Wa qiblatuhum wahidatun. See why we got wahidatun? So we had wahidun because all masculine nouns. So qiblatu is muannas. So that's why we have wahidatun to match. So wa qiblatuhum wahidatun. Hum muslimuna. Say hum muslimuna. So this is a plural noun. So we know the sign of marfu is waw. And una is a combination of jama mudhakkar salim. Wal muslimuna and the Muslims are ikhwatun, brothers. So ikhwatun is plural for akhun. Hada mudarrisuna. This is our teacher. Ismuhu. His name is Ash-Shaykhu Bilalun. So we've done this before. Ash-Shaykhu Bilalun. So what is this combination here? Ismuhu Ash-Shaykhu. Ash-Shaykhu is khabar and Bilalun is badal for Ash-Shaykhu. Wahuwa min Surya and he is from Surya. Wahuwa Rajulun Salihun. Rajulun Salihun is Naat Man'ud and he is a pious or good man. Nahnu we are. Nuhibbuhu we love him. Nuhibbu. So we have done uhibbu I love. Nuhibbu is we love. We love him. Kathiran a lot. So kathiran is maf'ulun mutlaq. So this was the passage which describes about the school, the students and about the class. So we're just going to do quickly some questions from the lesson. So we're just going to show that the Bilalun was badal. So aina hadihil madrasati. So where is this school? Aina hadihil madrasatu. So here we can say here or we can say hadihil madrasatu here. Qaribatum min al masjid. So it was clear near from masjid. Kam baban laha. How many doors does it have? Kam baban. See after kam it's tamiz. And how many doors does it have? Laha, it has thalathatu abwabin, 3 doors. Amughlaqatun abwabuha al-an am maftuhatun. Is the doors of it are open, closed, or it is open? So what do we say? It is la. It is abwabuha maftuhatun al-an. So the doors of it are open now. Kam nafidatan. So now is again tamiz coming here. Kam nafidatan fi hadal fasl. How many windows in this class? So in fi hadal fasl, fiha. So it has to be fihi nafidatani kabiratani. So it's some typing error here. It's kabiratani. So 2 big windows. Kam taliban. So how many students fi hadal fasl? So it's a fihi asharatu tullabin. See, asharatu tullabin. Akulluhum min baladin wahidin. Are all of them from one city? La. Hum min biladin mukhtalifatin. They are from different cities. Min aina Abu Bakrin. So where was Abu Bakr from, if you remember? So he was from Yugoslavia. Huwa min Yugoslavia. So min aina Ahmadu. Ahmanu, he is diptote. Abu Bakrin is triptote. So where is from Ahmad? Ahmad was from India. Min al-Hind. Huwa min al-Hind. Min aina Yusufu. Yusufu huwa min Inkaltarra, from England. And min aina Muhammadun huwa min al-Yaban. So alhamdulillah, this is the end of the lesson, the passage madrasati. So try and write these sentences and these questions and answers, inshallah. That should make us understand much better. So inshallah, next lesson will be explaining more about diptotes. That's you just introduction. This lesson was just to introduce you to concept of diptotes, and we'll be learning more in detail inshallah in next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi